just spent about an hour hanging out in Boone, which is like 10-15 minutes from the next campground that we're going to go to tonight. We got some nice coffee. We went to a crystal shop, bookstore, which is really cool. And today's our anniversary. So that iced coffee that we got was disgusting and was not the coffee shop that originally I thought we were going to go to. So we went to an actual espresso shop, got an iced coffee and
green tea,
green tea. And Bella's been by herself for about an hour and a half, so we're going to go see what she's doing. I'm sure she's fine, but like she's our baby, so we just worry about leaving her
I think she's
alone.
Probably cutting a little ball.
Yeah.
And barking at people.
Yeah, probably barking at people.
We'll see once we pull up.
See what she's up to.
Zing! What's she doing?
She's curled up in a ball. Hi, baby! After just 2 hours in the small and bustling town of Boone, we had enough city life and decided it was time to get back to nature and head north to our camping spot of the night. This is it. Yeah, there's an office. Got a little worried I didn't see much signage.
So, today hasn't gone as we thought it would have been, but it's actually gone better than we thought that it would have been. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you have a bit of something. We
Thanks.
originally planned on staying in like some other campground and camping there and doing some hikes, but for some reason it just didn't work out. And then out of nowhere we found this campground that we're at right now, which we didn't even find in our initial search, and
No,
it's so nice here.
We're gonna stay in Boone, but then we realized there was not much hiking there. There probably is, but we didn't find anything.
Yeah, and Boone is where like App State is, which is a college, so it's really like a college town, and as you saw earlier, there's like so many people there and the energy was really overwhelming, and we're like, why do we even want to like stay in that area? Because once you see the city, there's not much else to do
that we know of. But yeah, so we were like, so what's the closest thing to there? And then we found is it Benner Ale?
No, Elk Knob State Park.
Yeah, so we found that, and then I realized, so what's a
Bella
campground close to that? And then we found this hidden gem, which is Blue Bear Mountain
Campground. It's like 160 acres of privately owned land. They have teepee, RV camping, primitive tent camping sites, which we have. So we have like a fire ring, a picnic table.
And our truck is right there.
And then tonight we're gonna put the tent over the truck like we did last night. So we're supposed to get some heavy rain tonight with some wind gusts.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. So
that'll be interesting.
Yeah, it'll be exciting to experience that weather in the truck.
Ooh, there's also like hiking trails here.
Oh, there's a hiking trail.
And you could do like backcountry camping here if you're into that kind of thing, which this is our first camping trip, so obviously we've never done that before. And there's also like bathhouses with hot showers, firewood for sale. It's a really nice place. We got everything we need, and I think we're settled in for the night. We're just gonna
I think we're just gonna hang out by the sick ass fire.
We started this fire in record time. We got this thing called Fire Starter, so instead of using our own tinder, we got a fire starter that the owner gave us, which was really kind of him.
Yeah, he's been really cool too. He gave us some firewood, some extra little stuff for $10, and so we're just gonna kick it here for the night. Wake up early in the morning and get a hike in before we go home.
And we were gonna go out for dinner tonight since tonight's our anniversary, but the only restaurants around here are in Boone, and we're not trying to go back there. It's only like 20-25 minutes from here, but the roads are kind of rocky and steep, and it's gonna rain later, so
we're just gonna kick it here.
We have all our food out here. We're gonna just find something.
Leftover food.
Leftovers.
But tomorrow we'll eat something delicious. So yeah, we'll see you.
Elk Knob State Park. As you can see, it's so misty, foggy. It's really chilly. There's a wind advisory, but the sun is supposed to clear out all of this in a couple hours. So we're gonna do a 1.9 mile one-way hike. So like almost 4 miles round trip to the summit. We just made a quick breakfast. We used up the rest of our eggs and our cheese. It was so good.
Bella's trying to eat the crumbs. So we're about to get this hike started, see what's up with it.
Wow, it's so foggy out here today. But so far so good. We're about 5 minutes into our hike. 8:35 start time. I estimate we'll be done around 12:30, which is perfect because then it'll be lunchtime. But of course we packed lots of snacks and out of breath already. So this Elk Knob Summit Trail was built with the help of more than 6,000 hours. And it was like all volunteer work, so this trail is like really, really well maintained. And it's also marked, which is nice because a lot of the trails we go on are not marked, so we just kind of hope we're going the right way. But so far, sorry I'm so out of breath, but so far this trail is like really well maintained. I can't remember how many years it took them to make this, but I know it took over 6,000 hours of volunteer work, which is really cool that people are that passionate about nature.
You made it. Whew. Let's see what this looks like. I feel like it's just gonna be cloudy. It's no big deal though. Wow. Holy shit, feels like we're on a cloud. Whoa.
Holy shit.
Sitting on a cloud. We're heading back. We're less than 0.5 miles from the truck.
Did you say 25 miles?
No, 0.5, less than 0.5 miles.
Oh.
So we're almost at the truck.
Like a quarter of a mile.
Yeah, we got really lucky that we came early because it's so busy now. It feels like it's active. Time to go get some lunch.
Whoa.
At the Petting Pig, a boon.
We're going to the Peddlin' Pig. It's
Oh.
a really popular barbecue restaurant in the area.
Yeah.
And we need a hot meal right now.
It's gonna hit the spot. We'll see you there. Zing.
We just ate here at the Peddlin' Pig and it was so good. I had a brisket sandwich. Carlos had pulled pork, green beans, hash. What are those things called?
Hash browns? Hash browns? No, hush puppies.
Hush puppies. We had hush puppies. It was just really good, but we're about to get on the road and go home now.